What up guys, it's your boy That's It Zach here, and it's another day of Veganuary. I hope you guys have been enjoying it so far. We got a couple more weeks left and a couple cool recipes coming up, but let's jump right into today. What you see me drinking here guys is my anti-inflammatory keto drink, but you're gonna need a couple ingredients. So you need turmeric, black pepper, you're gonna take vegan butter. Here I'm using Earth Balance. You're gonna take coconut oil. And then you're gonna take some coffee. You could either be instant, it could be French press. I took French press from Giddy Yo-Yo. Their link is down below as well. I got it from them, that's the one I used. And you're gonna need a blender. So, the way you guys are gonna make this recipe is that you're gonna take some turmeric, you're gonna take the black pepper, you're just gonna do some little, you know, hit the bottle a little bit. I don't really have a teaspoon or anything like that. I kind of just go by eye and what I like. So I like to get maybe 3-4 pumps in of turmeric, maybe 2 of black pepper. You're gonna add 2 teaspoons of vegan butter, and you're gonna do 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Sometimes I go for 2, dependent on how I feel and if my day is really high or not, but I'll go for 2. You're gonna get some milk. So I like to make it a little creamy, so I take the vanilla flavored vegetable milk, which is pea milk, and I use that for my creaminess. You're gonna get your blender, you're gonna put the coffee that's brewed or French press or whatever, you're gonna put that in the blender, you're gonna add your milk, you're gonna add all the other ingredients, you're gonna blend it, and then you're good to go. So we're talking about creamy, it smells really good, you're getting anti-inflammatory benefits, it's a keto drink, so we're not raising those insulin levels too high. You're gonna vary off, you're gonna stay full for longer without eating. So if you don't wanna eat too much that day, but you do wanna consume your calories and still feel good and still get a good pump in the workout, this is a really great way to start your day. And then to end it off, I did take a little bit of Giddy Yo-Yo maca chocolate. I took 2 pieces. I took it with me to go for school, and that's how we ended our day. What up guys? So I'm back home right now. I did have that drink in the morning, but now I'm back home. I'm gonna make my post-workout shake that I'm gonna take with me to the gym, and I'm also gonna have a little stack now as a pre-workout meal, so we're gonna go through them right now. Took about 2 handfuls of walnuts. I'm gonna have 2 tablespoons of sunflower butter. I'm gonna have a, I would say like small to medium apple. I'm gonna have 1 whole water bottle. This one I'm gonna have on the way to the gym. So pretty much this is gonna be the pre-workout thing. The pills that I'm going to take with it are from the Protein Works. It's a UK brand. They make a vegan 369 omega. I'm gonna take 1 pill now, and I'm gonna have 1 pill later today. And this multivite, I'll probably take only 1 today because training camp just started. The calories aren't so low, so I'm not really worried about like micronutrients and vitamins. They're pretty up from the meals I'm eating, so I'm only gonna take 1 of those today. But I'm also going to take some organic chlorella, and I'm also going to take some spirulina, probably like 3 or 4 pills of each. They're like little pills you can take, so I'm gonna have like 3 or 4 of the chlorella, 3 or 4 of the spirulina. That's pretty much my like pre-workout thing that I'm gonna have right now. If you want to learn more about the chlorella and the spirulina, go check out my Instagram. The link is down below. Anti-inflammatory, immune boosting, cancer fighting, detoxifying, heavy metals in the body from ingestions of food. If you want more, go check it out. It's on my channel, it's all there. I don't want to spend time talking about it now. And for the post-workout meal, I'm gonna have some Move protein. 1 serving, it's roughly 20 grams of protein. I'm gonna take some creatine with it. Hold up. Some creatine. I really love Optimum Nutrition. I really trust them. Really, really strong brand for that. And then I'm also gonna mix it with some carbs. Like I said, guys, you always want that absorption of protein, so I mix it with some carbs. So we're gonna take some Vegano plant-based milk. Again, you guys have seen me use this before. If you want to check out the stats, these are pretty much what we're looking at right now. 70 grams of calories. We got a little bit of fat. Carbs are not too high. 7, protein 6. Got all those micronutrients as well. So I'm gonna have a little bit of that to go with the protein shake. And that'll be I keep saying pre. That's gonna be my post-workout meal. Then when I come home, you guys are gonna love this one. We're gonna make like a vegan ketogenic tofu avocado scramble type deal. So I'll show you guys how to make that, but that's what we're gonna have when we get back home, because I do have another workout tonight, and I only want to eat carbs roughly closer to that workout, because that's gonna be my big carb meal, and then I pretty much stop eating. So I'm gonna go eat this. I gotta rush to the gym, and I'll see you guys when we're back home having that vegan tofu scramble that I told you about. All right. Then we got back home, and like I said in that video, guys, we made my avocado tofu scramble. So like you can see in the video right here, you're gonna take a few of your favorite vegetables. I use mushrooms, green peppers, onions, put a little bit of garlic. You're gonna take some spices. So you're gonna see me what I'm taking out right now. I got paprika, salt, coriander, black pepper, nutritional yeast, tomato sauce, and what else did I put? I put some succulent teriyaki sauce and the avocados as well. So I got 2 cut up avocados right here. The tofu blend that you're gonna put, guys, don't forget nutritional yeast. The nutritional yeast is gonna give it that cheesy, creamy flavor. So you're gonna let the veggies cook. You're gonna add in the tofu as well. I put roughly 250 grams of tofu, and then you're gonna let it cook together. You're gonna add your spices. You're gonna add the tomato sauce. You're gonna add the nutritional yeast. You're gonna mix it all up. You're gonna take your avocados. You can either peel them already or leave them in the cup like I did. So I just kind of spoon them, and you're gonna fill up the little hole. So you're pretty much just making like an avocado stuff. And I'll show you guys how it looks after I'm done filling the plate up, but I overstuffed them. I made quite a bit. I was really hungry that day, but if you're a normal person or you wanna eat like me, you could stuff them like this and just fill up your plate. So this is how they ended up coming out. Nice, super clean, super good. It smelled so nice. The tomato sauce really helped the nutritional yeast. You got the cheesiness, you got the creaminess. When we finished eating that meal, I took a can of black beans. I rinsed them, I cut them up. My mom made some mac and cheese. I took like very little of the mac and cheese. And then right under that, you have a little bit of brown rice and just cauliflower, like cauliflower shavings, just stirred fry like under that whole layer. Then with the bowl on the side, I took a banana, I took some maca powder, took some oatmeal, I took some move protein, some berries, and just jammed that into a bowl and just scarfed that down. And then to end my night, we got the veggies, a little bit of sweet potato, got the banana with the coconut flakes on top, and sunflower butter right on top of that, not coconut butter. And then a few pieces of pineapple, because I really enjoy pineapple. What I did today, and I thought it'd be really cool, is to take you guys through a chronometer, or it's kind of like a MyFitnessPal, just to show you guys how a vegan diet is very healthy and you get exactly what you need. So let's jump right into it right now. 4,057 calories. I don't know if it's there, we go. So I got that. And then when we look at my fiber intake, I got 111. If we go down to my fat intake, since I am on the vegan ketogenic diet for this fat, my fats are really high, so that's why it's in the red zone. You can see where my omega-3 and 6 ratio is. You can see my saturated fats, no trans fats, no cholesterol. Protein, I got 172, and I hit every single amino acid that you need, as you guys can see. If we jump to my mineral section, I am more than okay. I'm actually insanely over on some of them, especially potassium. You guys can see that. I got almost a full gram of potassium, especially when you compare it to sodium. It's a lot higher, but the ratio is exactly what you want. You want that very crazy, like 3 to 1 or 4 to 1 ratio change. This is almost a 3 to 1, which is perfect. Then when we come up, my vitamin intake, vitamin D is low, but that's okay. So I also take a vitamin supplement, and I got enough from my son, because I am burning like crazy right now. My B12, sorry about that, my B12 is insanely high. Well, this is where I got it from. This is why I love this app, guys, because you can go on the percentages that are here, and it shows you where you're getting them from, which is insanely perfect. So that's Chronometer. I'll put the link down below so you guys can go try it out and check it out. It's free to make. If you do it on your laptop, you can connect through Facebook or just manually put it in. I thought, why not switch things up again, or today for you guys, just so you can see this. But that's day 11. Yes, it's higher in calories. The reason is today is pretty much like the highest day that I will have, because for the rest of the week and the weekend, so from tomorrow to Tuesday, I go pretty low in calories. My Monday and Tuesdays is pretty much a fast day where I'm consuming maybe like 1,000 calories max. So I'm trying to compensate, but not too much. So I'm still gonna be in a deficit today because I still have another workout to do. But that's pretty much what I like to do. I will do an in-depth look at my plan, my workout plan for these next 5 weeks, my diet for the next 5 weeks, how I'm gonna lose the weight. So you guys can go check out that video when it's gonna come out. It should be out in roughly 2 weeks. I still got a couple other videos that I have for you guys coming out. But that's it for day 11. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this one. A little bit of change. You guys got to go see a recipe I like to do. It's my little avocado thing that I made today. And that's it. Tomorrow's another day. I think we're going to be making some vegan chocolate pudding with avocados. Again, high fat diet. So I shall see you guys tomorrow. It's your boy, that's Zach. Punch, headbutt, elbow, double knee. Peace.